Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into TurboTax. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this straightforward guide will ensure you can access your account quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your web browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. TurboTax is accessible via any browser, so you can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or others. Step 2. Go to the TurboTax website. In the address bar, type in the official TurboTax website URL, www.turbotax.intuit.com. Press Enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Locate the Sign-in button. Once on the TurboTax homepage, look for the Sign-in button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the website. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. Input your email address associated with your TurboTax account in the first field. In the second field, enter your password. Make sure that your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Click on Sign In. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign In button. This action will take you directly to your TurboTax account dashboard, where you can access all your tax documents and filing options. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if applicable. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete an additional step. Check your email or mobile device for a verification code, enter it on the site, and then press Submit. This helps keep your account secure. Step 7. Troubleshooting failed logins. If you are having trouble logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Step 8. Log out after use. Once you've finished your session on TurboTax, it's a good practice to log out, especially on shared or public devices. Simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Thank you for following our TurboTax login guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Happy filing!